Hi and welcome. I'm TC Chambers, and I will be your presenter for this myEcon's Personal Financial Success System overview. One of our motivated and excited associates invited you to watch this video because he or she believed that this information could possibly improve your life financially, and they are 100% correct. Here at myEcon, we have helped tens of thousands of families across this great United States of ours to improve their personal finances. Now, our associates' professions range from stay-at-home mom or dad, educators, doctors, lawyers, firefighters, federal agents, sales professionals, servers, bartenders, small business owners, and everything in between. Their incomes range from minimum wage, $10 an hour, to high six-figure earners. A few things they have in common is that they understand the importance of financial literacy, and they all have that will and desire to increase their cash flow. Now, the name myEcon stands for My Economy because millions of Americans all across this country have an economy, and they are the CEO of that economy, and they are solely responsible for its success or its failure. See, here at myEcon, we consider ourselves the personal financial success company because that's what we do. We empower people to improve their personal finances, ultimately to obtain personal financial success. Now, let's take a look at the company itself. myEcon is a 12-year-old, debt-free, technology-driven company headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. To date, we've helped our associates cash flow in excess of $400 million, and we're just beginning. Our mission, again, is to empower people to obtain more personal financial success. Now, personal financial success is simply having enough cash flow to support one's lifestyle during our working years and our retirement years. Now, to obtain personal financial success, one needs more cash flow to support their current lifestyle and more cash flow to invest to build passive income for retirement or financial freedom. Now, that passive income is generated from assets that we build, assets such as stocks, bonds, annuities, retirement accounts such as 401ks, 403bs, TSPs, real estate, residual-based businesses, all those things that we have to build that take care of us during our retirement years. Now, it's also important to note that you must understand what the value of that investment portfolio or that asset must be in order for it to take care of you for the rest of your life. Now, for example purposes for this particular presentation, we're going to say there's a person or a family that feel that they can live off of $50,000 a year of income coming in during their retirement years. Now, they would need an investment portfolio or assets to be valued at approximately $600,000. Now, if that asset yields them about 8% interest each year, then that would pay them the $50,000 they needed for the rest of their life. More importantly, it would leave a legacy when they're gone. That same $50,000 would then go on to take care of their children or their children's children. See, cash flow is a very important element to obtaining personal financial success. So here at myEcon, we use a strategy called income shifting to empower our associates to generate cash flow in 5 different ways. So let's look at these 5 new cash flow streams. First, you have correct tax withholdings, minimizing taxes on business income, creating business income, debt elimination, and creating passive income. So let's take a look at these cash flow streams individually. Correct tax withholdings. Now, we know that's important because of income shifting. See, Americans lose about 1/3 of their income to taxes, so it's extremely important to shift as much of those tax dollars back into our associates' paychecks. Also, we know correct tax withholding is important because the IRS states that over 80% of all W-2 employees, that's over 100 million people, have too much money withheld from their paychecks for taxes. Now, this is bad because employees lose money. Why? Because of ROI. ROI stands for return on investment. See, let's say an employee has over $300 a month withheld extra from their paycheck that gets sent over to the IRS. That means that's $300 not being used to go into their 401k or their 403b or their TSP to help them get to that $600,000 that they need. Or that's $300 a month that's not being utilized to eliminate debt. saving them in interest payments, or merely $300 that's not being utilized for lifestyle to help them take care of their families. Instead, that $300 is getting forwarded monthly to the IRS. The IRS then takes that money and invests the money in the IRS's name, so the IRS gains financial benefit from that money and not the employee. So not only does the IRS say, but myEcon also says it's much more favorable if the employee maximizes their take-home pay and then uses that money to invest, debt elimination, or even enhancing their lifestyles. Now, let's look at the second cash flow stream, minimizing taxes on business income. Now, why is this one important? See, business owners have access to many more deductions than employees. In fact, many of the expenses that employees routinely spend money on could become tax deductible if the employee becomes a business owner, even on a part-time basis. So the IRS says if you use your vehicle while you're attempting to build your business, then the expenses you incur for that vehicle can become partially tax deductible, say mileage at about 54 cents a mile, or the actual expenses that it costs you to operate that vehicle, gasoline, oil, tires, maintenance, insurance. If you have a loan on the vehicle, interest on the car loan. If you're leasing the vehicle, a percentage of the lease payment. So all these expenses that you're incurring anyway, but because you're a business owner, will now allow you to be able to make them partially tax deductible. How about your cell phone and your internet access? See, if you're using these while attempting to build your business, those same expenses now become partially tax deductible as well. What about your traveling? Many times over the summer, people are traveling to family reunions, going on family vacations and trips, airfare, hotel. Well, if you have a business and you schedule some appointments in those different locations prior to going, now you can make those expenses partially tax deductible. What about meals and entertainment? You and your friends or colleagues are having lunch, or you're going to a happy hour, or you're having a barbecue. Let me change that. Business owners don't have barbecues, they have business luncheons. And now the refreshments that you serve your guests now become partially tax deductible. How about you and a colleague or potential client or going to a football game or a basketball game, or you're going to the theater, or you're going fishing, or you're renting a yacht, or you're going on a vacation? Well, those meals and entertainment expenses can become partially tax deductible if you're attempting to do business while incurring those expenses. What about wages? The IRS says via Publication 15 that parents can pay their children wages for helping them in building their business. And those wages that they pay their children are 100% tax deductible. And as long as the parent doesn't pay that child over the standard deduction for someone single, the child pays no taxes on those wages anyway. So minimizing taxes on business income represents a second cash flow stream. Let's take a look at the third, business income strategy. So at myEcon, we provide our associates with a world-class business system. Here at myEcon, we are in the membership business. See, if you look at a successful company, say like Netflix. Netflix is in the membership business. Their members get access to entertainment. You look at a company like 24 Hour Fitness. They're in the membership business as well. Their members get access to gymnasium equipment, swimming pools, basketball courts, things for physical fitness. Well, here in myEcon, our membership business, we're in the financial success membership business. And our associates get access to our membership, which contains a suite of products and services that enhance and help them with their journey to becoming personally, financially successful. In it is our income shifting strategy, which I talked about briefly, again allowing our associates to shift valuable tax dollars back into their paychecks. The Cash Flow Manager software, it's significant because the IRS requires business owners to keep good records. So here's a system that's user-friendly, and our associates from the palm of their hand can manage their expenses and their income and keep track of them via their smartphone, their tablet, their computer. ID theft protection. We now know that cyber theft is a billion-dollar industry. Free and discount legal services, credit education services, discount, travel, and corporate perks. All are bundled together and providing a membership for our associates. Now, there are going to be customers and potential clients that choose not to get our products, some of our products and services in a bundle package, and they want to purchase those products and services a la carte. So what we do is we've placed all of our products on our associates' website. It's almost as if they have a vending machine in the sky, and now merely they need to let their clients and potential customers know their website address, and that they can go to that site and purchase from a myriad of products and services. So myEcon, we put together a powerful retail strategy. They can go to the site to get ID theft protection, $7.95 a month. It has $1 million service policy on there stating that if the customer's ID is compromised, we have $1 million to help them get back whole again. We also have our smart money system on the site for the consumer to purchase. It's our 26-video, 2.5-hour, do-it-yourself credit restoration or credit education product. We also have our Cashflow Manager software for independent contractors, realtors, insurance agents, all those other and small business owners that have the need and desire to be efficient in keeping good records for their business, whether it be their expenses, whether it be an income, and a combination of both. They can get that Cashflow Manager software for just $10.95 a month. It's user-friendly, and again, it's an app. They can use it via their smartphone, their tablet, or their computer. We also have book travel as one of the icons that they can click on the site. We have contracts with most major carriers all over the country. They click on that link, it'll send them to Priceline.com. They can rent a car, book a hotel room, book a cruise, book a family vacation, book an airline ticket, and they get the same quality service and prices that Priceline has become to be known for, and the associated commission on it. How about our nutrition and healthy beverages? So $1 billion industry in itself, and now customers can go from the palm of their hand directly to the site and purchase from a myriad of quality products and services with the best ingredients from around the world. We have a cashback mall. A customer can go to our mall and shop at over 1,000 stores representing over 1 million products. Many of those stores are household names: Walmart, Macy's, Brandmart, Best Buy, Home Depot. The customer nearly goes through the site, purchases products, the vendor gives them cash back because they went through the site via the associate's website, and now the associate also gets commission. And because it's now an app, our customers now from the palm of their hand in their smartphone can go directly to the mall. So we have, again, a powerful retail strategy which gives the associates the ability to earn significant income retailing products and services via their website. Now, let's talk more specific about our compensation plan. Now, our first leadership position in myEcon is Executive Vice President. Once an associate has enrolled or referred 2 memberships or responsible for about $200 of sales volume via their websites, they're now promoted to Executive Vice President. That's important because now as an Executive Vice President, you're up to 100% commission on all the personal sales volume that goes through your website, and up to 85% on team sales. But understand, you never have to recruit or build a marketing team in order to be able to access those 5 cash flow streams. However, if you understand the importance of it or you see value in it, it can be extremely lucrative. See, myEcon pays Executive Vice Presidents a referral fee of $35 every time they refer a membership. And for any of those referrals, if they refer a membership, myEcon will pay the associate $25. So you get unlimited personal referral fees of $25 and unlimited referral fees from your baseline associates of $25. So while you're building that upfront money, simultaneously you're building your residual income at the same time. Now, how about earning $5 to $10 a month on every residual income on every active associate or every active membership inside your organization? Build a team of 100 over a little bit of time. That's going to pay you $2,500 up front, and you started building a $300 plus monthly residual income. Over time, your team grows to 1,000 memberships throughout your organization. Some you referred, some your team referred. You'd have earned upfront during that process of $25,000, and you've built up $8,000 to $10,000 monthly residual income. So this represents our third income stream and can be highly, highly effective and lucrative in part of your process of building and becoming personally financially successful. Now, let's take a look at our fourth strategy or our fourth cash flow stream. Now, let's say an associate takes just $100 of that cash flow that they've already generated, $1,000, and they earmarked it for debt elimination. And let's look at these 3 creditors. They have a car loan, $17,000 balance on it. They've already sending $545 a month to take care of that, to service that loan. They add that $1,000 to it. Now that's $1,545 they're now sending to the bank. In 12 months, the car loan is paid off, and now they have cash flow of $1,545 to continue to use towards debt elimination. They have a Visa credit card with an $8,000 balance. They've been sending $200 a month to that Visa. Add the $1,545 to it, and now they send $1,745 a month. And in 5 months, that Visa credit card is paid off. They now have a cash flow of $1,745 that they're going to use to continue in their debt elimination strategy, applying it to their mortgage. So they were sending $1,200 to the bank. Now they're going to send $2,945 to the bank. And in 68 months, that $200,000 mortgage is paid off. And now they have cash flow in excess of $2,945. They've paid off a total of $225,000 of debt in just over 85 months. As importantly, they saved $352,000 in payments by accelerating that debt elimination. Again, cash flow now of $2,945, and that leads us to our fifth and final cash flow stream, and that's passive income. And this is my favorite, ladies and gentlemen. This is taking cash, turning into an asset that brings you more cash. Cash, asset, cash. So they take that $2,945 and they invest it at 8%. In 10 years, that's $538,000. In 15 years, that's $1,019,000. Cash millionaire. See, if you understand the importance of cash flow and you understand the importance of strategy, then you have no problem or no fears talking about and visualizing becoming a cash millionaire. You just have to understand the importance of cash flow and financial strategy. Now, get back with the person that invited you to watch this video. They're going to take you to their website, give you a tour of their site, show you the back office, show you all the training and support that is provided via their website. Once you've made your decision to come on board with us, you, as they did, you will be provided with a personalized website. Plus, you'll receive our world-class business system and financial success membership, which includes income shifting strategy, cash flow manager software, ID theft protection, free and discount legal services, credit education services, discount travel and corporate perks, and my favorite, valuable tax benefits. Now, you can get this entire program for just $34.95 a month. That's right, $1.17 a day gives you this entire program to allow you to access 5 new cash flow streams. So I want to thank you again for taking time to watch this video and allow me to be the first to welcome you to the myEcon family. I encourage you to get started. I encourage you to download the app right away, start watching our quick start orientation videos, and get off onto a fast track. And again, welcome to the family. God bless, and thank you.